Alright guys, this is going to be the video putting together the Sportsman Pro Grill. Here's all of our pieces sitting here. The only thing I moved is the handles. So what we'll do is we'll move this piece out of the way and then we'll pull the slide out. And then here's the bowl that it connects to. You can see the little holes down here. One thing that I did see on a lot of the videos, you got to make sure you do not crank down the screws on this or it will wobble really bad. So get this stuff ready and move this out of the way. Alright, so when you turn it over, you can see the holes, you can see the little guides. So here's your bottom piece. This is going to go on here. Fits pretty much where you can't really mess up much because it lines up. These fit inside this little area, so you can't slide it in and out. And then holes line up there. So what I'm going to have to do, since this has no hole in the bowl, we're going to have to hang it over the counter, and I'll put the screw through, and then we'll start getting it, and then we'll tighten it all up. Alright guys, look like the easiest way actually is going to be going from the bottom to line up the screw hole. And then you push this through, and then you can get your bolt started. Alright, so once you get that on, you just make sure you get it a little snug. You know, you don't have to get it real tight. And you just slide this piece in. So now, you've got it ready to go, and you can see on the ends, it tells you draft door open, and it's got a nice little line. So you can see that your door's open. And then if you look at this one, it says draft vent close. And the stop right there, it's closed. Pretty simple. So let's get the grill. Alright, last step is to put the grill on. Just sit it on there like the old school grill was. And she's ready to go. So the only difference, like I said, is the rounded ends. This one I think has a little smaller cooking surface. Shouldn't be much. I mean, everything's good to go. Slide's good. The only thing that, you know, is really different is to get this one to put more coals in. You have to lift this up, but should be fine before you put food on it. But most of the time you're going to have the coals in a chimney anyway, and then you're going to dump them in here. So you should have a pretty good amount and not have to add more, hopefully. So, but anyway, hope everybody has a great one, and I shall see you soon.